Did you know there's a simple, natural way to improve digestion and relieve constipation? Clinical studies reveal that eating just 2 small fruits daily can ease constipation symptoms more effectively than traditional remedies like prunes and psyllium. Packed with fiber, hydration, and unique digestive enzymes, this incredible fruit supports gut health and promotes regularity. But there's a special way to eat it to maximize its benefits. Stay tuned to uncover how this mysterious fruit works and the secret to using it most effectively for the best results. Stick around until the end of the video, where I'll reveal more surprising and effective foods to help relieve constipation. The magical one fruit is kiwi. Kiwi is a natural and effective remedy for constipation, thanks to its unique combination of nutritional and digestive properties. 1. High fiber content. Kiwi is rich in soluble and insoluble fiber, making it an excellent aid for bowel regularity. Insoluble fiber adds bulk to stool, while soluble fiber retains water, softening stools for easier passage. A single kiwi contains 2 to 3 grams of fiber, which contributes significantly to improved bowel movements. Research indicates that eating 2 gold kiwi fruits daily is as effective as fiber-matched psyllium for alleviating adult constipation. 2. Actinidin enzyme. Kiwi contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that aids digestion by breaking down proteins and improving gut motility, helping to prevent constipation. 3. Rich water content. Composed of 80% water, kiwi helps hydrate the colon, preventing hard stools and ensuring smoother bowel movements. 4. Prebiotic properties. Kiwi acts as a prebiotic, supporting beneficial gut bacteria that aid digestion and promote regular bowel movements. 5. Low FODMAP fruit. Unlike many other high-fiber fruits, kiwi is low in fermentable oligosaccharides, FODMAPs, making it a suitable option for individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Some strategies to enhance the effectiveness of kiwi for relieving constipation. 1. Eat with the skin. Kiwi skin contains up to 50% more fiber than the flesh. Wash thoroughly to remove pesticides and consume the skin for added fiber and nutrients. 2. Opt for green kiwi over golden kiwi. Green kiwi contains slightly more fiber than golden kiwi, making it more effective for relieving constipation. 3. Use warm water with kiwi. Drinking a glass of warm water after eating kiwi can stimulate the digestive tract and enhance its stool softening effects. 4. Time it right. Consume kiwis on an empty stomach, preferably in the morning, to maximize digestive enzyme activity and improve gut motility throughout the day. 5. Combine with prebiotic or probiotic foods. Pair kiwi with yogurt, kefir, or fermented foods to enhance gut microbiota and improve digestion. 6. Boost digestion with kiwi and healthy additions. Pair kiwi with healthy fats like avocado or nuts to aid stool passage while gradually increasing fiber intake with foods like oats, berries, and legumes. 7. Make a kiwi smoothie. Blend kiwi with high-fiber ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, or spinach for a powerful constipation-relieving drink. 8. Exercise regularly. Light physical activity like walking or yoga can stimulate intestinal movement, helping kiwi work more effectively. Now let's move toward other lesser-known fruits that relieve constipation. 2. Magnesium citrate. Magnesium citrate increases water in the intestines, which triggers natural contractions, peristalsis, that help promote bowel movements. Magnesium helps relax the muscles of the intestinal wall, making it easier for stools to pass smoothly. Fast-acting relief. Typically induces a bowel movement within 30 minutes to 6 hours after ingestion, providing quick results. Gentle on the digestive system. Compared to stimulant laxatives, magnesium citrate is less likely to cause cramping or discomfort. Effective for occasional use. Ideal for temporary relief of constipation but not recommended for chronic or long-term use. Convenient and accessible. Available in both liquid and tablet forms, making it easy to use and widely accessible. Dosage recommendations. Adults typically take 10 to 15 milliliters, 2 to 3 teaspoons, of liquid magnesium citrate. Always follow the dosage instructions on the product label. Optimal timing. For faster results, take magnesium citrate on an empty stomach. It's best to consume it in the morning or early afternoon to prevent nighttime disruptions. Dilution for better taste. If using the liquid form, dilute it with a full glass of water or juice to improve the taste and support hydration. Drink plenty of water both before and after taking magnesium citrate to enhance its effectiveness and minimize the risk of dehydration. Avoid in certain conditions. Individuals with kidney disease, heart conditions, or those following a low magnesium diet should consult a healthcare provider before use. Potential side effects. Excessive use may cause diarrhea, cramping, or dehydration. Always use as directed to avoid adverse effects. 3. Aloe vera juice. Known for soothing the digestive tract, a small amount can stimulate bowel movements naturally. 4. Chia seed gel. When soaked, chia seeds form a gel that helps lubricate the intestines, easing constipation. 5. Blackstrap molasses. A tablespoon at bedtime provides a dose of magnesium and can act as a natural laxative. 6. Squatting posture. Using a squatty potty or placing feet on a stool while on the toilet aligns the rectum for easier elimination. 7. Sesame seeds. These seeds are rich in oils that moisten the intestines. Chewing or adding them to food can help with regularity. 8. Dandelion tea. A lesser-known herbal remedy that stimulates bile production, promoting better digestion and relieving constipation. Now you know how this incredible fruit and a few simple tips can make a big difference in relieving constipation and improving your digestion. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on better health and wellness.